Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is making waves even before its official launch. With the Galaxy Z6 and S24 FE launch events in the rearview, it's time to look forward to what's next, and all eyes are on the Galaxy S25 series, expected to drop early next year. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the S25 Ultra, from leaked specs to new features. So let's get started. According to recent leaks from reliable sources like Ice Universe, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra will debut in four stunning colors: black, green, blue, and titanium. And as always, expect some online-exclusive color variants for those who want something a little different. Powering the S25 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a performance beast that's rumored to be underclocked for better efficiency. Paired with a 5,000 mAh battery and 45-watt fast charging, this phone is designed for those who need power that lasts all day. Let's talk cameras. The S25 Ultra will feature a massive 200MP main camera, along with upgraded 50MP ultrawide and 50MP telephoto lenses with 3x and 5x optical zoom. This camera setup promises a whole new level of mobile photography, pushing boundaries with superior image quality and advanced zoom capabilities. Oh, and did I mention? The phone is expected to have a slimmer bezel and a larger 6.86-inch display. That's almost as big as the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Samsung's M14 OLED display technology is expected to make the screen brighter and more efficient than ever before, maxing out at around 2600 nits of brightness. And of course, expect QHD Plus resolution and a variable refresh rate up to 120 Hz for a smooth, vivid viewing experience. Now, there's been a lot of buzz about the chipset options. Samsung might use a mix of the Exynos 2500 and Snapdragon 8 Elite, depending on the region. However, the Snapdragon chip is expected to dominate, especially in markets like the US. And get this, the S25 Ultra might come with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to a massive 1 TB. Let's not forget about One UI 7.0, which is shaping up to be Samsung's biggest software update yet. With a fresh design, smoother animations, and enhanced generative AI features, this update will take your Galaxy experience to the next level. And yes, the S25 Ultra will be future-proofed with 7 years of software updates, so you're covered for a long time. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be a game-changer, with its incredible camera upgrades, powerhouse performance, and sleek design. As we wait for the official launch, stay tuned for more leaks and updates. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.